Hi, this is Emily with the Happy Ginger Company, and I wanted to make one more quick video kind of talking about portfolios, especially when it comes to my templates, so that you have an idea of how to easily update your portfolio pages or customize them. And so I wanted to delve into a couple ways I've done that across different sites. Right now, I'm in the holiday homes template, and this one is going to use canvas views as a way to add portfolio elements and show more portfolio details for each. So if you've watched the tutorial videos about Canvas views and all that stuff, it's going to go into it a little more in depth, but I just want to quickly touch on it here. So for this first portfolio row, when you click on it, it says portfolio row 1. The first view is going to show you both the left and the right project. The second view is going to dig into the right, the original one on the right side, that project. It's going to add a gallery. And then the third view is going to dig into the project on the original left view. So whenever you're updating this style, and this occurs across various portfolios in my templates, if you see views, that's exactly what this is doing. So what you'll want to do is change your photos on the first view to be like project 1, and then on the right, project 2. Change the titles. You won't need to change any click actions. Those will all stay the same. So you just change your photos and the text. And then project 1, the one on the left, when you go to view 2, you'll change those names to match what your project 1 was, change the copy. And then here you have a gallery. And you're going to notice that on the back end, you can't see all of the photos. But when it's actually on the front end, or what people see, you will be able to. So you'll just click on here, gallery images, manage your images, click to delete, and then you can click to add new ones from your library. And then you'll save it, and it'll look just like this, but it'll have your photos. So I just want to make that clear that that's how you would do that. Then to change the second portfolio project of yours, you'll just click on view 3, change the titles, click here, manage images, and change your images. And I'll show you kind of how that works really quickly in preview. So see, this would be yours. You would change it to your project, and then your gallery will become scrollable. And then if people want to close it out and see the other one, boom, right there. Scroll down, it'll be your gallery, and it'll be as long as your gallery is. So however many photos you add is how long it will go. And then same thing, you can do that for all of these portfolio options. Now, if you have more portfolio, I think this page has 6 portfolio projects that you can swap out. If you need more, just go to this third portfolio row to the 3 dots and duplicate it, and that'll give you 2 more. Or if there's too many, you can delete by going to those 3 dots and deleting. And that's how this type of portfolio updating will work. And then give me just a second and I'll hop into a different site and show you a different style. Okay, I've hopped into a different one of my templates. This one is the Cricket Collins template. And whereas that previous style is more of a canvas view style, this portfolio style goes to individual pages. So you'll see here over here on the site side, when you get your template, it'll say portfolio, which is the main portfolio page, and then individual portfolio page. And this will be, so if you have project 1 here, you'll change it to be your project 1 photo and then the words. And then you would take this individual portfolio page and you're going to want to duplicate it. And then I would recommend you rename it. So let's say yours is Paris Apartment. Rename it to whatever your portfolio project is called. Now we have it. You can customize this. So let's change this to Paris Apartment. And you would change all this copy to match your portfolio, whatever you need. And then you go back to your portfolio page. And then you would change all this copy to match your portfolio, whatever you need. And then you go back to your portfolio page. And then you go back to your portfolio page. And then you go back to your portfolio page. And then you go back to your portfolio page. And then you go back to your portfolio page. And then you go back to your portfolio page. And then you go back to your portfolio page. And then you go back to your portfolio page. And then you go back to your portfolio page. And then you go back to your portfolio page. And then you go back to your portfolio page. And then you go back to your portfolio page. And then you go back to your portfolio page. And then you go back to your portfolio page. And then you go back to your portfolio page. And then you go back to your portfolio page. And then you go back to your portfolio page. And then you go back to your portfolio page. And then you go back to your portfolio page. And then you go back to your portfolio page. And then you go back to your portfolio page. And then you go back to your portfolio page. And then you go back to your por And you would change this click link. So this, click on the photo, the click action, instead of going to the individual portfolio page, you're going to want it to go to Paris apartment. Same thing. If you want these to be clickable, you can add that to page Paris apartment. And now when anyone clicks on this photo or this text, it's going to take them to your page called Paris apartment that talks all about that project. And so you're going to want to copy these for as many projects as you have. So if on your portfolio page you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you're going to want 6 copies of the individual portfolio page. And you'll rename them and then relink them to each of their corresponding photos. And that way you have a page for each of your projects. Thank you. That will help you show people your work and give them a landing page for each of those. Those are the 2 main styles of portfolio that I offer in my templates. There's a little bit of difference in between them, but for the most part, those are the 2 main styles. The other thing is if you have questions or you see stuff, go through those website tutorials that I have, and you should see other ways of changing things if you want to change them. But otherwise, these are the 2 methods that should get you through updating your portfolio to look great.